Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is JavaScript Click. Normally, Selenium uses a real user-like clicks with the click method, but sometimes the click fails due to element is hidden by overlay, element is not fully visible, timing issues, custom UI controls. In such cases, we use JavaScript Executor to perform a click using JavaScript. JavaScript Click directly triggers a click event in the browser and may bypass visibility and interaction checks. That's why JavaScript Click is powerful, but it is risky if it is overused. In the sample script, if you see, I am trying to use Selenium click method, default locator strategy method. But if the click is failing due to UI or timing issues, I use JavaScript executor to perform the JavaScript click. The element is clicked using the JavaScript. This is useful as a fallback, not as a default strategy. I will run the script and see how it works accordingly. If you run, if the element is visible, if you are able to locate that login button, it will click. See, if you see, login button is clicked. Since we did not provide any username password, it failed. Here also, if you see JavaScript executed as fallback, means it did not execute the JavaScript method. Only login button Selenium default method has been executed. Always try normal click first. JavaScript click is a workaround, not a solution. Using JavaScript click can hide real UI problems. So first should be Selenium's default click method for the web element. If we are not able to perform, then we will go into catch block. We will write try catch and use JavaScript method to click using the JavaScript executor method.